Okay, y'all, I'm at Bath and Body Works. I don't know if you can see it in the background, but I'm at Bath and Body Works. I'm ready to pick up another order, a BOPIS order. And this is the BOPIS order I did over the weekend when they had the fine fragrance mist for $4.95. Y'all talked me into it. Y'all talked me into getting leaves. So I'm going in here to pick up that order. One item was canceled, so I'm gonna see if I can swap that out for something else. Even though it's saying that the store have it, they got it, so hopefully, I don't know. So hopefully they will just go ahead and give it to me, or maybe, I don't know what's going on with that. But every time I place an order for that particular scent, that underwater oasis, every time I place an order for it, it always get canceled. So I'm not sure why. Leave down in the comment, is underwater oasis, is that a good scent? Leave that down in the comments. I know it's supposed to be like fresh, but I haven't smelt it. Every time I try to get the minis, they don't have it. This fine fragrance, they saying they don't have it. So I'm ready to go in here. I'm gonna pick this order up. Hopefully it's on the shelf and I could grab it. So we're gonna see, y'all. So let's head in here because I don't really want to make this video super long. So let's go in here and let's grab this order. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl a comment. Shout out to all my MVP riders. Shout out to you. Thank you for always supporting me, for always having my back. Thank you. So let's head into the store. Y'all, back in the car, got my bag, got my stuff. While I was in there, I did grab some items with rewards. It's hot in this car, y'all. Let me let the windows down. I used 2 rewards. I decided to go ahead and use 2 rewards because I truly like these 2 items, and I got the aromatherapy. Yeah, I know I hauled this the other day. This patchouli, no, chamomile and patchouli. Love this. This is so good. So I decided to just go ahead and use a reward for this one, as well as this one, which is the rose and magnolia. So yeah, grab those 2. Love these. So why not grab it for free? Sorry about that, y'all. Also today, y'all know they doing the hand cream for I think $1.99. So I grabbed 2. I decided to grab this Endless Sea and the other one, Wild Sand. So I just grabbed these 2 and that's it. I really wanted the Chasing Fireflies, but I think this store is out of it, so it's not a big deal. So I'll grab those 2. Like I told y'all earlier, one of my items was canceled. The girl was giving me a hard time with subbing my canceled item out for an item that was in stock. I guess she didn't know that you could do that. She was finna charge me $18 for this thing. I'm like, no. So I decided to go ahead and get this Black Cherry Merlot. Y'all know I'm really not a fan of Black Cherry Merlot, but I'm gonna mix this with the, I forgot which one it is. It's a vanilla one that I have that came out last year. It's actually out this year too, that I'm gonna mix this one with. So I'll put a picture on the screen so y'all can see, but it's a vanilla, I think it's Vanilla Woods. I'm gonna mix that with this and probably get like that Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I might get that type of vibe, maybe. So yeah, that's why I grabbed this, because I want to do that with this. Because I'm not a fan of this Cherry Merlot, Black Cherry Merlot. And because y'all was on me in the comments, oh my goodness, I got so many comments about leaves. Now I went on and got it because y'all talked me into it. I bought this because of y'all. Y'all made me buy it. So I decided to get leaves, and y'all told me to mix leaves with champagne, apple, and honey. I already own champagne, apple, and honey, so I don't own this. This might be the only one that I get because I really don't care for this scent, especially in body care. I don't mind it in like a home fragrance, but as far as body care, I'm not really feeling it. I know some people like it. It's just not my cup of tea. You know, apple, nectar, and clove. That's the scent notes. So I'm gonna mix this like y'all told me. I got so many comments about mixing it with that. So I'm gonna try it just because y'all told me to. I'm gonna try it. And then the next things I got is Wild Sand. I decided to go ahead and get this because I do not have it. I have it in the minis, but I don't have it in a full size. With this sale, why not? And then I did get the other one, the matching one. I did grab this one, this Endless Sea. So yes, I grabbed that as well. And basically that's everything that I got. I did order that underwater oasis from another store. It was canceled. I don't know what is going on with this scent. For some reason, I cannot get my hands on. I'm sorry about the different colors, because I noticed I just got lighter all of a sudden. But I don't know what's going on with that scent in my area. If they have another sale, I might just go ahead and place an order for it and get it like that, because for some reason, none of my stores have it. They got the body wash, they got the cream, but they just don't have the fine fragrance. So on another sale, I'm just gonna order it just to see, because I need to see why this is not staying in stock, or maybe my store just didn't get it. My area, I should say. I don't know what's going on with that. So leave down in the comments, let me know, what did you get on this $4.95 fine fragrance sale? I know some people is not shopping because they feel like they have a lot. That's understandable. I feel like I got too much as well. So yeah, leave that down in the comments, y'all. Let me know what y'all get. How many orders did you place? Leave that in the comments. How many orders did you place from Friday to Sunday? Now I did 2. I actually did 3, but like I said, that one got canceled. And I know I could still go to the store and just grab something else, but it ain't no big deal. I'm just gonna let that go. So yeah, that's basically it. That's everything I got on this quick haul, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up. Again, leave me some comments. Let me know, what did you get from the sale, or you even shopping this hand cream sale, this $1.99 hand cream sale, or is it a pass for you? It was going to be a pass for me, but I decided to just go ahead and just grab these 2. So yeah, I'm getting ready to get out of here, head on back to the crib. Subscribe, thumbs up, comments. Shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for holding me down, having my back, watching any and everything I post. I truly appreciate you. Thank you. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.